Welcome back. If you've been using Telegram Web on your PC and those message sending animations are starting to feel a bit distracting or slow, you're not alone. With the latest update, Telegram gives a more control over how the interface behaves, including the ability to turn off those animations completely. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to disable the message sending animation step by step, so your chats feel faster and more streamlined. First, go ahead and open Telegram Web in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click on that to open up the main menu. From here, find and click on Settings. This will take you into the area where you can customize your Telegram experience. Inside Settings, scroll until you find the section called Animations and Performance. Click on it to open more options related to how Telegram looks and behaves. Now, under Interface Animations, you'll see different animation settings available. Look specifically for the option labeled Message Sending Animation. To disable it, simply toggle the option off. Once you do that, Telegram will stop showing the sending animation